Yo guys, what is up and welcome to another video. Okay, this is part 8 of the hoverboard car. Since the last video, which was I think in June or July, we've done a few little upgrades. So we've replaced little shafts like this, which were located on the top suspension mounts and the bottom suspension mounts. We've replaced them with bolts, so these weren't coming down. In the last video, some of them sliding out and I had to keep pushing them in all the time, which was a bit of a pain. So the next biggest upgrade is replacing the flip sky speed controllers with Hoverboard Motherboard. So we got two of them, obviously one for the front wheels, one for the back wheels, and also I've remounted the steering controllers, so we got two of them on top of each other, and then same on the other side. Okay, so what we're doing today, we're just testing that everything still works. So I've tried both of these Hoverboard Motherboard motor controllers separately, and both of them work controlling the motors that they're connected to. So we got the two DACs sending out a split signal to both of the Hoverboard motherboards. Okay, so we got the PS3 controller, we got the battery plugged in, we got the Arduino for the controls plugged in. Just got to switch it on. Okay. Right, I just want to note, this is the first time I've switched it on since connecting everything back up. Okay. Right. Switches turn on the battery. Okay, safe. And then the last switch, the main power switch on top. Which this is the scary one. Okay, good. Right, I can see we got 74% volts of battery, and then now I need to turn on each of the hoverboard motherboards. Okay. Right, so we've got no fires, no blown fuses, and we should be able to use these two analog sticks to make them go forwards, backwards, whatever. Okay. This is a little bit scary. Right, so we have got four-wheel drive. 1, 2, 3, 4. But they are all at slightly different speeds. So I think I'm going to have to set up the motor controllers differently, probably have to use 4 DACs instead of 2. But I mean, it seems alright. I mean, it's got the speed up, slow down for the steering, so that's quite handy. Whoa. Okay, so we got a successful test run for the Hoverboard Motherboard speed control conversion, which is excellent, and the DACs seem to be working. The only problem was, like, when we were just going forwards normally, the right side wheels were going slightly faster than the left side, but I think because it was the same on both, we should be able to change that easy enough. Right, so the next few things I need to do is just rehook up all the steering controls and the steering potentiometers, mount all of this stuff inside, and also I'm going to be putting the top cover on because there's not enough space for this extra box, so that's going to have to go on top. But it's okay because I was going to put other stuff on top as well. Right, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like. If you want to see more, subscribe, and thanks for watching.